I think I like it.
Craft it, shape it, own it, crown it. Craft it, shape it, own it, crown it. Craft it, shape it, own it, crown it. Craft it, shape it, own it, crown it.
Now's my time and I won't hesitate.
Season 1 was breaking things down. Season 2 was shaking things up. Season 3 is about waking things up. We're going to laser focus on implementing your brand strategy into your business operations. Put aside the guidebooks, pretty pictures, and vision boards. It's time to craft, shape, and own your positioning. Rewrite the script, flip tables, scream down roller coasters. It won't be easy. I'm Beatrice, your brand positioning strategist. Season 3 will teach you how to shift your positioning from boring to certified badass. Those who don't think rebranding will save them, Rue will find you, hunt you down, and no more excuses. No more branding band-aids. I'm bringing in badass experts to unleash their knowledge onto this podcast, teaching you everything you need to know how to craft that perfect positioning so clients will be eating caviar out of your hand. The art of positioning. Let's freaking go.
Yeah, I think I like it. Now's my time and I won't hesitate.